Find the volume of this object. Awesome! Convert 8 liters to centiliters. Right! Find the volume of this object. Nice! Find the volume of this object. Right! What time will it be 5 hours from this time? Correct! Convert 7,000 millimeters to centimeters. Correct! What time will it be 9 hours and 15 minutes from this time? Correct! Find the volume of this object. Awesome! Convert 8,000 milliliters to centiliters. Right! Find the volume of this object. Right! Convert 9 grams to centigrams. Right! What time will it be 11 hours from this time? Right! What time will it be 4 hours and 15 minutes from this time? Nice! What time will it be 11 hours and 30 minutes from this time? Nice! Find the volume of this object. Right! What time will it be 6 hours and 30 minutes from this time? Right! What time will it be 6 hours and 30 minutes from this time? Awesome! What time will it be 5 hours and 15 minutes from this time? Awesome! What time will it be 9 hours and 30 minutes from this time? Nice! Convert 1,000 centimeters to meters. Awesome! What time will it be an hour from this time? Nice! Find the volume of this object. Nice!